Hello everyone, welcome to the Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we'll talk about why 3D printing is important. First, I have a riddle for you. Well, what's almost 40 years old but looks brand new? Well, it's very simple, believe it or not, it's 3D printing. And yeah, it's older than you and than me because it started in 1981. And I don't know why people are thinking that this is a brand new technology, a cutting edge technology, but it's not. But it's very old. So I told you that everything started in 1981 with Hideo Kodama, who did the first solid printed model. And other chronological events that can help you understand how old is this technology. Well, in 1984, the stereolithography was invented, which is this technology of printing layer by layer. Also, in 1999 was first printed an organ implanted in humans. So again, this is not happening right now. This happened like 20 years ago. But in 26, the first machine became commercially available. So right now, this starts to be a normal thing, and I think a lot of people are having a 3D printer. But regarding Hideo Kodama, I really want to mention him because he's the one who created the first 3D printer and first 3D printed object. But he tried to patent, the invention, but because of funding issues and so on, he was unable to complete the process before the 1 year deadline. Here we can see how the machine was working. So it's almost the same as the printers that we have today. And we have a photo with the first ever 3D printed object, which was a house. But again, why 3D printing? So 3D printing can be used anywhere. Okay, so first, as I said, is used for rapid prototyping and rapid manufacturing to understand and test if our concepts really work before making them real. In automotive industry too, it is used in aviation, construction, healthcare, food, education, and fashion. But keep in mind the word sustainability when it comes to 3D printing. Well, sustainability focuses on meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. So we are using a lot of plastic when it comes to 3D printing. So we want to be aware and use it in a responsible manner. So this course doesn't have the purpose to print random, awesome, and interesting things. So even it is very tempting to print them, we need to understand that let's don't do this. And we'll focus more on, I told you, objects that solves real problems or objects that can help us in an educational way to learn how the mechanisms work. And also, we will try as much as we can not to print with a lot of material. A good example is this one. So we will not 3D print box. If we want a box, we can make it from wood and 3D print little corners that can bring the wood planes together. That was about 3D printing, but we'll learn more about this in the next videos.